to the students. Good morning, all of you. In the last class, we are discussed about the problems on molarity and normality. Today, we are going to discuss about the problems on molality. Molality is nothing but number of moles of the solute present in the 1 kg of the solvent. In previous classes, we already see the various formulas are used for the calculation of the molality. The first problem based on the concept of the molality, that is the calculate the molality of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. In given problem, 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is nothing but acetic acid present in 75 grams of benzene. We use the formula for the calculation of this problem is molality is equal weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by A in grams. A in grams. Here WT is the weight of the solute, GMW is the gram molecular weight of the solute, A is the weight of the solvent. In this problem, solute is the acetic acid, ethanoic acid, solvent is the benzene. The weight of this acetic acid is given in this problem is 2.5 grams. Gram molecular weight of the acetic acid is 60. Gram molecular weight of the acetic acid is 60. In this problem, solvent is the benzene. Weight of the benzene is given 75 grams. Now substitute all the values in this problem formula. Molality is equal weight of the acetic acid is 2.5, gram molecular weight of the acetic acid is 60 into 1000 by weight of the solvent, that is the 75 grams. On simplification, it becomes 2500 by 450 100. On final simplification, we get the answer of the problem is 0.2556. Okay, this one is the first problem based on the concept of the molality. The problem is calculate the molality of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. For the calculation of this problem, we use the formula molality M is equal. Students, we have discussed about the another type of the problem and the concept of the molality. The second problem is calculate molality of 0.1 mole of urea dissolved in 100 grams of water. The second problem is concept on molality, that is calculate the molality of 0.1 mole of urea dissolved in 100 grams of water. In given problem, 0.1 mole of the urea is present in the 100 grams of the water. In this problem, solute is the urea, its number of moles is 0.1. Solvent is the water, weight of the water is given 100 grams. For the calculation of this problem, we use a formula, that is molality M is equal to N into 1000 by A in grams. For the calculation of given problem, we use the formula molality M is equal to N into 1000 by A in grams. Here N is the number of moles of the solute. In given problem, solute is the urea. The number of moles of urea present in given solvent is 0.21. The weight of the solvent water, that is given in problem 100 grams. Okay, now substitute these values in above formula. 0.1 into 1000 by 100. On simplification, we get 100 by 100. On final simplification, we get the answer 1n. The molality of the 0.1 mole of urea present in 100 grams of the water is 1 m. Okay, this one is the second problem based on the concept of the molality. Now we have discussed about the another type of the problem on the concept of the molality. The third problem is that is the calculate mass of urea required in making of 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar aqueous solution. In given problem, molality of the solution is given, that is 0.25. Weight of the solvent is given 2.25 kg. In this problem, the weight of the solute, that is the urea, is required in making of the 0.25 molar aqueous solution in 2.5 grams of 2.5 kg of the solvent. For the calculation of this problem, we use the formula molality is equal weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by A in kg. 1 by A in what? Kg. In given problem, weight of the solid urea is asking, then weight is equal molality into gram molecular weight of urea into A in kg. A in kg. Molality of the solution is given, that is 0.225. Gram molecular weight of the urea is the 60. The weight of the solvent is given, that is 2.5 gram kg. On simplification, we get 2.5 into 6 into 2.5. On final simplification, we get the answer 37.5 grams. The weight of the urea required in making of the 2.5 kg of the 0.25 molar aqueous solution is 37.5 grams. Okay, this one is the third type of the problem on the concept of the. Okay students, we have discussed about the another type of the problem based on the concept of the molality. That is, the problem is calculate molality of 3m NaCl of density 1.25 gram liter inverse. The problem is calculate molality of 3m NaCl of density 1.25 gram liter inverse. Okay, listen students, in the given problem, molarity of NaCl is given, that is 3m. Density of the solution is also given, that is the 1.25 gram liter inverse. Whenever molarity and density of the solution is given, from that one we can calculate the molarity by using a formula. Let's see the formula for the calculation of this problem. Molality small m is equal 1000 into molarity by 1000 into density minus molarity into gram molecular weight of the solute. Whenever molarity and density of the solution is given, from that one we can calculate the molality by using this formula. Molality small m is equal 1000 into capital M by 1000 into density minus molarity into gram molecular weight. Okay, how much molarity is given in that problem? 3 is given. Small m is equal 1000 into molarity is given, that is 3 by 1000 into density of the solution is how much given? 1.225 is given minus molarity 3 into gram molecular weight of the sodium chloride is 58.25. Then molality is equal 1000 into 3 becomes 3000 by 1000 into 1.25 becomes 1250 minus 3 into 58.5 is become 175.5. On simplification we get 3000 by 1074.5. On final simplification we get the answer of the molality of the solution of given problem is 2.79. Okay, this one is the molality problem based on the concept of molality. In given problem, molarity and density of the solution is given. Whenever molarity and density of the solution is given, From that one we can calculate the molarity using the formula. Molarity is equal to 1000 into molarity by 1000 into density minus molarity into gram molecular weight of the